The ketogenic diet, or keto for short, has taken the health and wellness world by storm. It's a way of eating that shifts your body's primary fuel source from carbohydrates to fat. This metabolic switch happens by drastically reducing carb intake and replacing it with healthy fats. As a result, your body enters a state called ketosis, where it efficiently burns fat for energy. The benefits of keto are plentiful, ranging from weight loss and improved blood sugar control to increased energy levels and mental clarity. However, despite its growing popularity, many individuals struggle to achieve their desired results on keto. This can be disheartening, but it's important to remember that the ketogenic diet, like any lifestyle change, requires a careful approach. Understanding the common pitfalls and implementing practical strategies can make all the difference in your keto journey. In the following sections, we'll delve into the common mistakes people make on keto and provide you with actionable tips to optimize your experience. Whether you're a keto newbie or have been on the diet for a while, these insights will empower you to stay on track and achieve your health goals. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your health. Let's unlock the secrets to keto success together. Keto is simple. Reduce carbs, increase fats, but execution can be tricky. Many stumble upon common pitfalls. Let's shed light on these mistakes. Consuming too many carbs is a prevalent mistake. Keto requires keeping carbs under 50 grams per day. Even small amounts can prevent ketosis. Another mistake is not consuming enough healthy fats. Fat is your primary energy source on keto. Don't shy away from avocados, olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish. Lastly, hydration is crucial. Reduce carbs, retain less water, stay hydrated. Address these mistakes for a smoother keto experience. Let's explore practical solutions to optimize your keto journey. Small changes can make a big difference. Start by tracking carbs meticulously. Read food labels carefully. Use apps to track intake accurately. Embrace healthy fats like avocado and coconut oil. Add nuts and seeds to your meals. Enjoy fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. Remember, fat is your friend on keto. Stay hydrated with water and low-carb beverages. Implement these tips to navigate keto confidently and achieve your desired results. Water is essential for life, and it plays an even more crucial role on a ketogenic diet. When you drastically reduce carbohydrates, your body produces less glycogen, which is a stored form of glucose that binds to water. This reduction in glycogen leads to increased water excretion, making you more susceptible to dehydration. Dehydration can manifest in various ways, including fatigue, headaches, dizziness, and constipation. It can also hinder your body's ability to function optimally, impacting your energy levels and overall well-being. Therefore, it's paramount to prioritize hydration on keto. Aim to drink at least half of your body weight in ounces of water per day. For example, if you weigh 150 pounds, aim to drink 75 ounces of water daily. Listen to your body and drink more if you're thirsty or engaging in physical activity. Remember, staying hydrated is not just about drinking water. You can also incorporate other low-carb beverages like herbal tea, bone broth, and sparkling water with a squeeze of lemon or lime. Electrolyte-rich drinks can also be beneficial, especially during the initial stages of keto when you're losing more water weight. By making hydration a non-negotiable part of your keto routine, you'll support your body's functions, prevent dehydration, and enhance your overall well-being. Section 5. Unmasking hidden carbs, keeping your keto diet on track. One of the biggest challenges on a ketogenic diet is navigating the world of hidden carbs. These sneaky carbs can lurk in unexpected places, sabotaging your progress without you even realizing it. Hidden carbs are often found in processed foods, sauces, dressings, and even some beverages marketed as healthy. These carbs can add up quickly, kicking you out of ketosis and hindering your progress. To avoid falling prey to hidden carbs, become an avid label reader. Pay close attention to the total carbohydrate count as well as the sugar content. Be wary of added sugars, which can be disguised under various names like high fructose corn syrup, dextrose, and maltose. When in doubt, opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. These foods are naturally low in carbs and packed with nutrients, making them ideal for a ketogenic lifestyle. Focus on incorporating plenty of healthy fats, lean proteins, and non-starchy vegetables into your diet. By being mindful of hidden carbs and making conscious food choices, you'll be able to stay on track with your keto diet and achieve your desired results. Section 6. Calories still count. Balancing energy intake for weight management. While the ketogenic diet can be highly effective for weight loss, it's important to remember that calories still count. While keto can suppress appetite and lead to automatic calorie reduction, it's not a free pass to overeat. If you're not losing weight on keto, it's possible that you're consuming more calories than your body needs to maintain its current weight. This can happen if you're eating too many calorie-dense foods, even if they're keto-friendly. To ensure you're in a calorie deficit, which is necessary for weight loss, track your food intake for a few days and calculate your average daily calorie consumption. You can then make adjustments to your portion sizes or food choices to create a calorie deficit. Remember, weight loss is not always linear, and you may experience plateaus along the way. Don't get discouraged. Continue to make healthy choices, stay consistent with your keto lifestyle, and the results will follow. By being mindful of your calorie intake and making adjustments as needed, you can optimize your keto experience for weight management and achieve your desired results. Section 7. Listening to your body. The importance of bio-individuality on keto. While the ketogenic diet can be beneficial for many people, it's important to remember that everyone is different. What works for one person may not work for another, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach to keto. This is where the concept of bio-individuality comes in. Bio-individuality acknowledges that each person has unique needs and will respond differently to dietary interventions. Factors such as genetics, lifestyle, activity level, and gut health can all influence how your body responds to keto. It's essential to listen to your body and pay attention to how you feel on keto. Some people thrive on a strict ketogenic diet, while others may need to experiment with different levels of carbohydrate restriction to find what works best for them. Don't be afraid to adjust your approach as needed. If you're experiencing negative side effects or not seeing the results you desire, consider making gradual changes to your macronutrient ratios or trying different variations of the ketogenic diet. Remember, keto is a journey, not a destination. By listening to your body, experimenting, and finding what works best for you, you can create a sustainable and enjoyable keto lifestyle that supports your overall health and well-being. Section 8. Your keto journey begins now. Embracing a healthier lifestyle. Embarking on a ketogenic journey can be an empowering experience, leading to numerous health benefits and a renewed sense of vitality. By understanding the intricacies of this low-carb lifestyle and implementing the practical tips outlined in this essay, you can navigate the world of keto with confidence and achieve your desired results. Remember to start by gradually reducing your carbohydrate intake while simultaneously increasing your consumption of healthy fats. Stay hydrated, be mindful of hidden carbs, and don't be afraid to experiment to find what works best for your unique needs. Your keto journey is an opportunity to prioritize your health and well-being. Embrace the process, stay consistent with your efforts, and celebrate your successes along the way. And remember, you don't have to do it alone. There's a supportive community of keto enthusiasts eager to share their experiences and offer encouragement. If you're looking for more guidance and support on your keto journey, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I share valuable insights, tips, and recipes to help you thrive on a low-carb lifestyle. Together, let's unlock the transformative power of keto and embrace a healthier, more vibrant you.